No one is so brave that he is not disturbed by something unexpected. Men are nearly always willing to believe what they wish. It is better to create than to learn. Creating is the essence of life. Experience is the teacher of all things. Without training, they lacked knowledge. Without knowledge, they lacked confidence. Without confidence, they lacked victory. If you must break the law, do it to seize power. In all other cases, observe it. It is easier to find men who will volunteer to die than to find those who are willing to endure pain with patience. I love treason but hate a traitor. What we wish, we readily believe, and what we ourselves think, we imagine others think also. I came to Rome when it was a city of stone, and left it a city of marble. When I was 5 years old, my mom always told me that happiness was the key to life. When I went to school, they asked me what I wanted to be when I grew up. I wrote down, happy. They told me I didn't understand the assignment, and I told them they didn't understand life. He has not learned the lesson of life who does not every day surmount a fear. In war, events of importance are the result of trivial causes. It is not these well-fed long-haired men that I fear, but the pale and the hungry-looking. As a rule, men worry more about what they can't see than about what they can. Friends, Romans, countrymen, lend me your ears. I want to bury Caesar, but not to praise him. The evil that men do lives after them, the good is often entered their bones. If it were so, then let it be with Caesar. It is more important to have greatly extended the frontiers of the Roman spirit than the frontiers of the Roman Empire. Speaking of Cicero, he therefore built a bridge over the Saône and led his army across. Alarmed by his unexpected arrival and seeing that he had effected in one day the crossing which they had the greatest difficulty in accomplishing in 20 days, Caesar's wife must be above suspicion. If a man were to know the end of this day's business ere it come, but it suffice us that the day will end, and then the end be known. If we meet again, well then we'll smile, and if not, then this parting was well made.